Okay, guys, let's do a little balcony garden tour for the month of July when it's like the 18th, and I'm getting rid of some flowers. You can see, getting rid of these pretty soon. I'm just letting the bees enjoy the flowers, you know. I'm not cutting them all, but I do want my mints to grow more. Yes, things are dry. My part of California is going to heat up. Today is Thursday when you're watching this, but the coming Friday is going to be in the high 90s. So right now, I'm just not testing, I'm just looking at the soil underneath to make sure I don't overwater my plants. It looks like, yeah, I might need to water them. Let's see. This is my expensive tool. Check it. Just, yeah, looks like I might need a water some. And then we have this one right here. We look at some videos from the past, like when I started my balcony journey in April. You can see, yeah, this one is dying. You can see the seeds. Can you see the seeds there? Yeah, so I'm just letting this one like die more and, like, get the heat, dry out. Back is yellow, turning brown, and I haven't been watering the soil. So yeah, let's go. Let me grab my expensive tool. Here we go. So now we're gonna be going over here. Yeah, all right, give me some water. I'm gonna give them water. This one was the latest bloomer. You can see there's a creature. What is that? Wow. Is it because my glasses on? It's huge. As I'm up close. Yes. Get that nectar. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Alright. Pollen. I don't know what I'm talking about. You get it. But yeah, I need to water these. And if you can go back to some of my old videos, you may have remembered there was a big stalk in the middle. I took it down. I had to cut out as much roots as I could, and now I'm growing something that I planted here and I forgot what I was growing. Yeah, and then now some zinnias. Look at this one. When it's dry, it closes up. It says, feed me, give me water. So I'm just gonna look at the soil. This is my spearmint. Yeah, they need to be watered. The weather's been like, cloudy in the morning, and then I don't want to overwater them. Then we got some zinnias. Salvia's gonna grow here. Got more. And this one too. I said when this one starts to sprout, that's where I'm gonna unroot this beautiful sunflower that I had. And yeah, it was a multi-head, so it grew some more little sunflowers, but this was the beauty of them all. And I'm waiting for it to dry out. I can see inside that the seeds are still green, so that it's not ready. So if this sprouts early, then I'll just let it dry out in the sun. And I have some more growing here. I think everything needs water. And yeah, and I'm not watering them. They're like, feed me, I'm thirsty. So yeah, this is the little, I went from big sunflower to it was like early April, they start growing. Where I had like June, now it's almost August. And I live in Southern California. That's a zone 9, I do believe people talk about. But yeah, we got over here some cat grass for my cute cupcake, and you could tell she was eating it already. And I grew some in this shallow dish because they said it's best in the shallow dish, but I haven't seen any sprouts, so we'll see. And I got these seeds drying out, these sunflowers drying out, and yeah, we're gonna collect the seeds. So yeah, I'm collecting them. for myself and for the birds that like to come visit. And I got a whole bunch of sunflower seeds for my little balcony garden, which I'm blessed to have. You know, sometimes when we look at these things, you know, our world is upside down. But for me, I'm gonna wait for the motorcycle. Like taking a deep breath, attending to my garden, giving thanks to God for all that He's created. Even this bumblebee, this is God's creature right here. God, I said thank you, God, for this day. Thank you, God, I woke up today. I got to see the sun. I'm having troubles beyond troubles. Oh, my load gets heavy. Sometimes it gets light, but then it gets heavy. But God, you were there through my medical journey, and you're here with me now as I continue my medical journey. So let's give thanks to God for these beautiful, and everyone's beautiful. Everyone just needs to be loved, and a hug, a hi, a smile. So hopefully if someone watches this, I give them a smile, or I hope they don't dislike. Oh my gosh, there's bees. I gotta go. Bye.